Hello and welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff. I'm wearing my Jurassic Park t-shirt, I've got my Jurassic Park shoes on, and we are doing the Jurassic World exhibition in London. I hope you can tell we are in. We're very green here, aren't we?
Yeah, I think it's the lighting right behind the phone.
So as you walk in, as with any sort of pop-up or any attraction these days, there's a green screen experience at the front, a green screen photo at the front. We've just got on a ferry. That was really cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
A cool little addition.
Really good.
So you get on the ferry as if you're going to Isla Nublar, and then we've walked through the classic Jurassic World gates, haven't we?
And then we've been met with this, is it a Brontosaurus?
Brachiosaurus.
A Brachiosaurus?
Yeah, which as you can see, I mean for scale, it's huge. It's absolutely massive.
It's a really good animatronic as well.
Yeah.
I'd say like on the level of Disney style animatronics. Yeah.
Well, Universal.
Yeah.
Because they've but yeah, it's an amazing animatronic. There you go. Look, opens its mouth. It's got a really big range of movement, hasn't it? It looks amazing. Looks absolutely amazing. There's some binoculars down here as well. Can you see them? Point to them. You can probably see these people are looking through here. We're going to go have a wander down and see what's through them, because she said you can see 7 dinosaurs if you look through the binoculars. And then there's all sorts of stuff to come. They've got the lab, didn't they said?
Yeah, and the raptor training area.
And I know from other people that have been, there's quite a few photo opportunities. So, it's going to be a really good day.
Everyone say hello to Sticky, the Stygimoloch. Yeah. Hiya, Sticky. Now, Sticky is a Stygimoloch. Stygimoloch meaning demon of the river Styx. Now, another iconic feature of the Stygimoloch is that big dome-shaped head of hair. That's a hard hat, a rock at the side of her head. It gives quite a demonic devil appearance. Head demon of the river Styx. Stygimoloch.
How does the poo feel?
It's
Herbivore poo.
It's not very nice, to be fair.
No?
No.
Oh. Who would have thought that rummaging around in poo wouldn't be a pleasant experience?
I know, yeah.
Oh my god!
Okay, calm down. What are we talking about?
They look exactly the same.
If you do want to meet our baby Bumpy, now is your chance to do so before the next show starts. So make sure you are in the queue, okay? Now, I believe there's 7 seconds left.
Still as calm as we are, please. The eyesight is based. Okay. Please move slowly over to the gate there. Yes, move slowly now towards there.
I'm moving slowly, Mitch.
Over to the access panel.
Okay. Can it see me? Oh no!
Right. Okay, head on over. Slowly, I said.
Okay. Right.
The home code here is 3649.
36.
I need to press the command protocol first.
I've done it,
Okay,
Mitch,
good.
I've done it.
Alright,
Right,
please follow my colleague now.
stand there, save yourself. Right,
Towards the exit
I don't
now.
like it, Mitch, I really don't like this.
Remain
Come on
calm.
down,
Safety
guys.
gear at all
Come on down,
times.
she's on the space, she's on the space. Okay, I think we're okay. Okay, Mitch. Okay.
Hello. So we've just come out of the exhibition, haven't we? That was amazing. That was so good. That was so good. That was so much fun.
It was really fun.
Did you have a good time?
I did have a good time.
There was loads of good stuff in there. So I'm trying to go right back to the beginning. Where did we first go into? Oh, we saw the Brachiosaurus. That's where we spoke the first time.
That was good.
And then we.
Oh, and then there's a lab area, isn't there?
Yeah, before that there was that Thai.
Oh, there was the one in the
something
transport crate.
Yeah, I can't remember what that was called now. He did tell us.
Called either. The ones with a dome on its head that they headbutt with.
Yeah. It was anyway. So then we went into the lab. That was really cool, wasn't there? There was apart from the poo feeling, that was a bit of a weird. I'm not quite sure who dreamt up that idea. And they had eggs, didn't they? You had a little screen where you were looking at what
you could inside at the embryos.
What dinos were in the eggs. That was really cool.
The incubator with the 3 little baby dinosaurs.
Yes.
You could see them breathing and.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. And then it got really good from there. We went into the Raptor Paddock, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Where they've got the raptors pretty much exactly the same as the animatronics that you see in the Velociraptor. The Velocicoaster queue at Universal.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Pretty much the same range of movement, isn't it? Except you've got 3 in there, whereas I think at Universal they've got 2, haven't they, in the queue?
Yeah.
They were incredible. They were just as good as the ones at Universal, weren't they? They blink, they breathe, they snarl, and I love that effect where they shake their heads and the stable moves, because it's even just the way, like, you can tell. I don't know. It just really looks like the raptor's actually moving that paddock, doesn't it? Rather than the sort of whole thing being some sort of obviously robotic sort of thing. It looks really good.
I've seen that again because it brought back memories from Orlando.
Yeah, it really feels like you can see its head move first before the stable starts shaking, as if it's actually moving it. It's really cool. Then we got to see Blue. I've no idea how well that came off on camera because the whole thing was dark. The whole experience was really, really dark. Which looks great when you're there, but obviously for camera purposes it's not ideal. But yeah, we saw one of the trainers feeding Blue, and then
Was it the Indominus next?
I think it was the Indominus next.
That was a huge animatronic.
Was there a section after that? Did we go straight into the Indominus? Oh no, we went into.
We can stroke the baby.
Yeah, it was Oh, do you know what? I'm so bad with names of dinosaurs. But you know the ones that got big armoured shell and they've got the big tail with them. And that's one thing as well that's really cool is the whole thing is sort of actor-led, isn't it? It's designed to feel like you're going to Jurassic World, like you're actually going to the park, obviously on a much smaller scale, but it's designed to actually be like the park. And so all of the staff there are actors, and they're really knowledgeable about the dinosaurs, aren't they? And they're
really
just
being in character.
Yeah, they're really good in character, and they keep making jokes about the fact that nothing ever goes wrong and that nothing's gone wrong, this sort of thing. So they were really good. They were really good at interacting with people. They were really good at sort of staying in the world of Jurassic World, and they really added to the experience. Actually, didn't they? They were really good.
Yeah,
they were really good. And it just adds to that immersive feel, doesn't it? As well. So yeah, we saw the Indominus getting fed after that, which was really cool. Again, that animatronic was mad. It was huge, wasn't it? It was absolutely huge.
Such a massive head on it, because that's all you really see is its head.
Yeah.
And yeah, but it's huge.
And it was really, it did quite a lot, didn't it? It looked really, you can see it blinking, you can see it breathing.
Like the detail in the animatronics is
it's
mental.
Really good.
Yeah,
it's really good.
So good.
And then we got to see the gyroscope. We got to take a picture in the gyroscope, which was really cool. And then the final section was an escaped T-Rex. Again, the actors in that were great, weren't they? They were really good. And the T-Rex looked unbelievable.
It really did. The way they moved and everything.
So good. It was so good. And that was, I mean, you could see its head and all down its back, couldn't you?
Yeah.
That was so good, that. And then you go out into the gift shop, as every good attraction always ends in a gift shop, doesn't it? We didn't get anything from the gift
shop. They did
shop.
Some quite pretty good stuff there, though, didn't they?
They did, yeah.
We didn't get anything because, like, this sort of thing, they're always expensive.
No, and I mean, some of it, like there was some classic Jurassic Park style hoodies with the classic logo on. But I mean, the hoodies were 50 quid. And I think really, like, Jurassic Park's so big, you can get stuff on the internet for way less than that. I mean, this one, I think the t-shirts were 20 quid and this cost nowhere near that. So there are some stuff, there is some like t-shirts and some merch that specifically got the Jurassic World exhibition on, which actually I'm pointing, it doesn't actually say, oh it does, right down.
Yeah.
So they did have some specific merch for the exhibition, but other than that it was all just sort of generic Jurassic Park and Jurassic World stuff, which you can get a lot cheaper than you can get in there. That was incredible, wasn't it? That was an absolutely amazing experience. How long does it last? About, my arm's going dead here.
What time are we on now? About an hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah. So a decent amount of time. But I literally just could go round and round and round again. That was absolutely phenomenal. Obviously not for the price that they charge. If we had the opportunity, I could just go through again, couldn't you? That was I could just do that all day. That was just so much fun. But yeah, that was Jurassic World exhibition in London. So next we are going to the Wizard Exploratorium, literally right now. We've also got potion making class at the Cauldron Club, and we've got Stranger Things experience coming up as well later on the channel. Adam?
So if you want to see all of that content, hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment if you want to, and like this video if you enjoyed it.
And we'll see you very soon next time we do stuff.